How much does life insurance cost? The price you pay for life insurance is determined by a number of factors, including your selected policy type and coverage amount. Some of the other factors that influence your premium include health status, age, driving record, lifestyle. If you're in the habit of jumping out of a perfectly good airplane, for example, your premium rate might be higher than someone who watches Netflix on the weekends. For this reason, when you apply for life insurance, you'll likely be asked a series of questions about your medical history and lifestyle. In some instances, a medical exam may also be required. With your newfound understanding of life insurance, you can explore the options for life insurance policies or use this information as an icebreaker at your next social gathering. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.